Struggling with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair? It's time to give your hair the care it deserves. Karseell's collagen hair treatment deeply nourishes, repairs, and restores your hair from root to tip. Infused with active collagen, this powerful formula hydrates each strand, making your hair stronger, shinier, and noticeably smoother. Powered by Moroccan Argan Oil, it adds a natural, non-greasy shine while reducing frizz and split ends. Whether your hair is curly, straight, thick, or fine, this treatment works for all hair types, delivering salon-quality results at home. Say goodbye to dryness and dullness. With advanced hair repair technology, Karseell brings life back to damaged hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and full of health. Loved by professionals and hair enthusiasts worldwide, this treatment is a must-have for anyone seeking silky, frizz-free hair every day. Ready to experience the difference? Try Karseell's collagen hair treatment today and give your hair the nourishment it craves. Click the link now and start your journey to healthier, more beautiful hair. Find the product link in the description.